let's take this Heil Pro Set 3 apart. Normally I would take apart the side with a cable on it because there'd be the most wiring there. This time I'm going to take apart the other ear cup because I'm curious what's behind this switch, if there's anything interesting at all. My gut tells me there's not, but you never know. I took apart that Fostex T50 RP and there was nothing in it. I was like, wow, that's pretty wild. There may be a similar series of events now, because if I was going to believe that any set of headphones had no guts in it besides just the driver, I would believe this would. The Fostex sounded so good, I was like, oh, there's got to be like resonators and divided chambers and padding. It's like, no, it was just a planar magnetic driver inside an empty box. Okay. What do we got here? And yep, that is the least interesting option. It is curious, it seems to be saying that it's 32 ohms. Okay. Oh no, that is normal for headphones. What am I talking about? I was thinking about loudspeakers for a second. And yeah, that phase invert switch is just, there's not like a transformer or anything weird. It's cool though, the little foam muffling in the back. Let's see, do these, yeah. These little foam pads here lead back into the rear volume. Well, it looks like the driver's been melted into place. So I guess that's probably not repairable by human hands. Yeah. Well, nonetheless, let's put this thing back together. Should I take apart the other side? That took like no time. Might as well see how they're doing the jack. That is not going into a screw hole, is it? No, that is. Tight. 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 Easy to get into, though. This part's always annoying. There we go. That's back together. Let's do the other. I wonder what percentage of this is in frame. I guess I'll find out in editing. And there's a little circuit board. What kind of havoc can we get into in here? These are very thin wires. They must have been trying to keep the weight down a little bit. And yeah, it's nothing too crazy. Just an off-the-shelf twist lock jack. Well, I was curious what would be in there. Let's put this freaking thing back together. Yeah. Ah, so it will be a little bit puzzling. All the wires are intact. Like that should be going into... Nope. There we go. So yeah, if you get one lined up, they all line up. It's pretty weird, this silver spray painting around here. I guess, yeah, it's that same piece. So that's the trim around the outside. This is just overspray, I guess, because it's the lip for mounting the cushion onto. That was awful grammar, and I do apologize. Does it do the beyerdynamic thing? If you get it lined up and you turn it, does it just sort of... No. No, it doesn't. All right. On the beyerdynamic ones, you get it over a certain ridge, and you can just turn the cushion and it drops into place and settles properly. There we go. They do specifically say that this is a feature that these do this. You can set it up however you want. Whatever. Anyway, that's all I've got planned for this week. I'd hope there would be something interesting happening in there. There's not even foam. It's just a driver in a plastic bucket. Well, nonetheless, that's what I've got for this week. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a nice evening. Feel free to like and subscribe.